Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Bramix here. And today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to, get them a little closer, is how we're going to apply the turtle wax black tire coat on my 2008 Lancer GTI. And yeah, so what we're going to need first, you're going to need a bucket with soap. And then, I know it's a beach thingy. And then you're going to get a toothbrush from like grandpa or something. And then you're going to get the hose adapter thingy that you adapt it to it. And you're going to need a towel to dry it, which I have no towel, but I've been using this as a towel. And yeah, so after that, we're going to apply it, and then it's going to stay super shiny. And I'm going to show you guys after, like, I'm going to keep you guys updated on the wheels and stuff. Alright, so let's get the show on the road, and let's do this. Okay, guys, the first step is going to be cleaning it. First, I'm going to start spraying it right here. Putting it nice and black. And we'll move on to the next one. Careful with the beach bucket. And then over here is the rally armors. Wonderful right there. Alright, this is stuff.
Are we in here? Was you like tweaking? Sister yesterday recording was so funny. The sister recording her daughter's part. Dude, I was cracking up. It was probably loud. And this is so funny. You couldn't record. Yeah, the logo that puts my head. Goodbye, Toby. Should I get right here? Goodbye, Toby. I can hear your voice. I wanted to do that. Alright, you first. For a special day of having man. To the free wedding, to the day you become a dad, for just laundry and running. Doesn't matter right there. Oh, okay. Yeah. So that part is car sign for the rest of the guys. Yeah, put the other one. I'm gonna cut. Look at the hole around the tail. Yeah, Lana. Now, time to apply this. Apply the phone. The background didn't have the office, though. Did you actually record this? Actually recording it? No, they were speeding. Yeah, but not the whole talk. Now I have the office in the background. You know what I mean? But you're not speeding. Yeah, the office talk. Yeah, right. Not cool, though. Not cool. Try to speed the talk. You're not supposed to take a good color. But right now, oh, it's probably nice. On the weekend, when I work. I'm working all weekend. Really? Well, except Sunday. At night. Well, so on my first day. Huh? This is the first person at March. Well, you know, 18 cents. This is a good day, man. Anyway. That's what we're training. So the rest of the open is
Alright, guys, so after we clean the tires, the next step is to thoroughly clean side, turtle wax, wheel tire cleaner, remove. So let's get this box open. I'm so excited. That tire is gonna look dope. Just air drying right now because I tried drying it with that little cloth, but all I did was get it blue.
Really?
Here we go. So I guess we gotta shake it. I suppose we shake it.
It's like the box says never shake or
Yeah,
will ruin product.
Alright, so let's get over here. Let's start this one. So this one, I guess you can see it's already drying. So, alright, so let's get to it. And once again, I'll update you guys on if this one's doing good or not. Ooh, here we go. Alright, guys, that's 3 to 4 inches. But I'm going to do it here. Anytime now.
So we did this a specific amount of time or what? get the sides. It's supposed not to be on the rims. I don't know if it's supposed to be bubbling like that. Yeah, I noticed that. Well, yeah, keep going now. That should be good for this one. Let's keep going to the other one. Yeah, we already out. No, that's it. Look, is it supposed to do that? I guess so. Bubbling crap. Alright, let's go. Should be good. Let's just wait for it dry and everything. Let's go to the other side. So for now, pretty much it's just wet. So, we'll get. Wait, no, for 8:32 in. Huh? The other one? You feel a little dizzy? Huh. Look, look, look.
Hey,
Yo, Brian.
What?
Do I stop?
huh?
Do I stop?
Yeah, you can see.
Hey, John.
All right, guys. That's it. That's gonna do it for today. So I did the thingy for the wheels, turtle wax. Hopefully it's good. But I don't even want to say that about it. But I mean, right now it looks nice, and I can't wait to see it while it's dry. And yeah, I think we accomplished something. Let's check out the other side.
Get more hyped.
I get hyped. And you can see the wheels right here going black.
Mm-hmm.
Good time. And then for some reason my brother decided to wet the Delaware X for some reason. Even though I have bird poop in there, it doesn't matter. It's all good. And I thank you guys for watching the video. And as always, have a good one.